Good morning. It's Tim Martin, the Wetherspoons guy here. Okay, groovy. In less than 24 hours, pubs will open and you will be launching the largest, most ill-advised drinking session in the history of mankind. Mankind, you know, that word should have new meaning for all of us today. We can't be consumed by our petty desire to stay alive anymore. We will be united in the interests of JD Wetherspoon, PLC. Perhaps it's fate that it's the 4th of July and I will once again be giving you freedom, just like I freed my staff from the shackles of getting paid during a pandemic. Yeah, man. We're fighting for our right to drink and eat crisps in enclosed, unventilated spaces that smell of stale piss and have sticky carpets. And should you choose to get smashed at one of my pubs, the 4th of July will no longer be known as an American holiday, but the day when Britain, declared in one voice, we will not stay home quietly at night. We will not vanish until we've had a fight. We're gonna baste ourselves in the COVID juice of our fellow countrymen like massive diseased turkeys. We're gonna keep that virus spreading until everyone we hold dear is dying alone in a hospital, unable to muster the breath even to curse our stupid names. Today we celebrate our Gin Dependence Day.